pulled up. We're gonna leave up one of our cars here at the gas station, and we're gonna unload and load into a vehicle. So we'll get that. Oh yeah, I see a butt. I just see ears.
I see now.
Oh, well, he's going up the hill now. Got my first 2 grouse the other day.
We are in the South Okanagan Valley of British Columbia, hunting region 8-2 to be exact. It is late October, so for deer it is legal to hunt any mule deer buck, and it is antlerless whitetail season, but for this hunt we are specifically looking for mule deer and possibly grouse if we come across any. We came across this group of mule deer, or muleys as we like to call them, but these were all females, or does. The right species, but the wrong sex. We watched them for a little while before moving on. This tells us we are in the right area, so here's to hoping we find something with antlers. We came around the corner and found this guy hanging out about 45 yards from the road. My side of the truck, easy access, and legal. While it was small, it was too good to pass up the opportunity to get back into the game. Pretty sure this was the same deer I had seen earlier in the season with another buddy, but at the time it was 4-point only season, so this guy was not available to us. My shot placement was almost perfect. Got him in the heart, so he only went about 20 yards before dropping. I damaged no meat, and it was a quick death. I'll take it.
Excellent shot.
Good job.
Now, how much of the gutting do you want to do?
Me?
Yeah.
It's hard.
No, we can do it right here.
Yeah, we can
drag
bring it right
it
down.
right to the edge.
That's good.
Let's find a safer place to park.
Yep.
Where's ours? I thought it was like right up here.
Which can this lift? 200 pounds, they say.
Well, if you got it, it's going to be...
It's just a little 2x.
Hey, look how much meat is there, man.
I know, he's actually not a bad size, hey?
He's a healthy little guy.
Oh, did the shot come out that shoulder? Fuck, I was worried about that.
It's been 5 years since I harvested a deer. I got this guy on a Friday, and then, as it would happen, I was back out hunting on the following Tuesday, and I was able to harvest a white-tailed doe, again, right from the truck. Apparently, 2025 is my year.
So Julian just got his first deer, and it took Lionel and I a little while to try to find it. We hiked up this big hill. Julian dropped it way up there, and Lionel and I hiked it and hiked it and hiked it. We could not find this deer. We finally found it on like the 4th time by it. And now we're just gonna pack it up. And it's starting to rain, but we're gonna pack it up and head, maybe go get me one, maybe go back, because we gotta go drop this thing off. So Lionel's just putting it in the truck now. Do you need help?
Stabilization, so.
I hope hope you enjoyed joining us on today's adventure. The Similkameen Valley is truly breathtaking, full of wildlife, beauty, and moments that remind us of how blessed we are to call this place home. This was Julian's first of 2 bucks this season. In British Columbia, registered hunters with a verified disability are permitted to discharge a firearm from a vehicle, which allows Julian to continue doing what he loves safely and responsibly. We appreciate every single one of you for coming along on this journey. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment below. We would love to hear from you. Thanks for following along, and we'll see you in the next adventure.